Good morning, students. So let's get started with additions and subtractions. So today we'll only do addition subtractions. These may be very easy for all of you, but let's go through them again so that if you have any doubts or if you have any difficulties, then you'll be able to correct it now itself. Okay. So let's start with the first problem. So the sum says 36 plus 21. So yeah, let me change the color to black. Yeah, 36 plus 21 is the question. Okay, so how do you write it? Right, plus see, 6 is the units place and 3 is the tens place. So right, all the units place should be matched, aligned, and all the tens place should be aligned. So here I have written 1 under 6 and 2 under 3. Now 1 plus 6. So how do we start? We start from the units place and then move to the left side. We start with units, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, and so on. Okay. So 1 plus 6 is 7 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer for 36 plus 21 is 57. Now let's move to the second sum. 123 plus 456. Okay. So as I said, we'll start from the units place and move to the left hand side. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. Now let's go to, so we are done additions with 2-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers. Now let's move to bigger numbers. So now we have 4123 plus 3126. Okay. 4123 plus 3216. Right. Again, see if you are seeing, uh, these are 4-digit numbers. So write numbers properly. Right. 3 plus again starts from unit place and move to the left. So same. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now we have, for the fourth sum, you are summing up a 5-digit number with a, okay, another 5-digit number. So that's okay. So 7, 8, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 8, 9, 5. Okay, and plus. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So you write down 1 here and you take 1 carry forward. Okay, so 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Again 3 here and 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 here, again 1 carry forward. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Again 1 here and 1 carry forward. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 91,131. Okay. So likewise, you can always keep on solving problems. Okay. Now let me add one more sum here. Fifth one. So if we have to add 1280 plus 30. Now how do you do it? So this number is a 4-digit term and this is a 2-digit term. So first write down the first number, and where to write 30? You should not write 30 from this end. No, these are 4 digits, right? And we have only 2 digits here. So leave 2 digits here and then write down the number. Okay, so that the unit place numbers are aligned, right? So if you are able to write this, then it's easy. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 here, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 2 is 3, and Yeah, here there is nothing, so assume 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. I hope there are no doubts in this. So now let's move to subtractions. Okay, here what do you have here? 65 minus 13. Okay, 65 minus 13. So 5 minus 3 is okay. So what we are doing here, we're subtracting. So we take 3 out of 5, which is 2, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 52. Okay, here we have a 3-digit number, 456 minus 189. Okay, let me change the color to back to red. Okay, now 6 minus 9. Can we subtract 9 from 6? No, because 6 is smaller than 9. So what do? You borrow 1. So you borrow 1 from 5. So this becomes 16 and this becomes 4. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 8. Again, 4 is smaller than 8. So what do? You borrow 1 from this 4. So this becomes 14 and this becomes 3. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So you have 267, right? So this is very important. Whenever the number is smaller than the number which you're subtracting, you should borrow one from the number on the left. So in this case, we have borrowed one from 5, so it became 4. Because it was 4 was again less than 8, we have borrowed one from this 4. So this become 14, this become 3. Okay. Now let's do bit more bigger problems. Okay, we have 1029 minus 648. Okay, again this is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. So where do you start writing from? You should not write 6 from here. You should not begin from here. You should assume, okay, you should align the units place. So for that, so let me put it as 0 6 4 8, right? Now the unit places are matching. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, let me change the color again. Yeah, so this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now what has happened? We have borrowed 1 here. So this is 0. So how do? You also have to borrow 1 again from here. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 10. But you have borrowed 1. So this becomes 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So 1029 minus 648 is 381. Okay. 1 5. So moving on to the next sum. 1563 again. So these are only 3-digit number. So what do? You add 1 0 here and then write down the number minus. Okay. Changing color to red. So 3 minus 6. Can I do it? No. So borrow 1. So this becomes 13 and this becomes 5. 13 minus 6 is 7. 5 minus 8, again not possible. Borrow 1. This becomes 4 and this becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is again 7. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1. So we got 1377. Okay. Now let's move on to bit more bigger problems. Okay. Here we are subtracting 5-digit number from another 5-digit number. Okay. So let me write it down. 61168 minus 49021. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So far so good. Here 8 minus 9. Again 9 is greater than 8, so borrow 1. So this becomes 18 and this becomes 5. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, and let's move on to the last sum. Okay, 189,026 minus 189. Okay, sorry. See what mistake I have done here? I tried to write minus 189, which is not correct. So let me remove it. Why? Because this is a 6-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. So what I will do? Put 0 here. 18925. Okay, minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 9. Not possible. So borrow 1. So this becomes 10 and this becomes 8. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. So you have 1,70,101. So hope this was a quick refresher on subtractions and additions. Now go to the description. There you will find a link for the quiz. Okay. It has 15 questions. Answer the questions and once you submit, you'll be able to see your marks immediately. Okay. Thank you.